Hola chicos y chicas, this is Profe Simmons. Today is a very exciting day. We're going to talk about how to play verb conjugation battleship on conjuguemos.com. So first things first, type in the web address correctly, conjuguemos.com. Then click on library and under Spanish, click on verbs. All right, then you're going to scroll down to number 2, present tense, regular verbs only. And then games. There are 8 games total. They're all awesome. My favorite, though, is Verb Battleship, and I'm going to teach you how to play that one right now. Okay? You're going to play versus a computer because if you switch to versus human, you're going to have to create an account and then find someone who's willing to play at the same time as you, and it's just easier to play versus a computer. Okay. So this is going to be present tense, regular verbs only. The vosotros form is included, so you're going to need to know how to conjugate the vosotros forms of these verbs. We've got some AR, we've got some ER, we've got some IR, whole shebang. Okay, first things first, place all your ships and press confirm. Got my big kahuna here, my battleship. I'm going to rotate it and put it in the vosotros category because I think that's really hard and my opponent, even though it's a computer, might not be able to do as well with that. I'm going to place my other ships. Maybe I'll put them in an IR verb conjugation row because maybe I think IR verbs are harder to conjugate. And I'm going to place this one right here. Okay, I'm going to click confirm. Once they're all set up and it says, ooh, your turn to attack. Boy, I've got to choose which of these verbs I want to try to conjugate to which of these forms. I'm going to choose the LA form of cocinar. My answer is cocinar. Am I right? Yes. I got a hit even. Oh, this is great. All right, I'm going to choose, let's comprender. I'm going to choose that, the L form. Oh my goodness, okay. I clicked accidentally, I think, and it thought I had made my answer. Oh, maybe not. I'm going to try it again. Comprende. If I need to put an accent mark, I can do so like that. Am I right? Yes. All right. Now I'm going to not be very smart, and I'm going to choose this. Oh my goodness, that was a hit too? What? So anyway, you just keep going. Ooh, vosotros, I'm going to need an accent mark over my A. All right. I sunk a ship. What do you know? Okay, here I am actually trying to miss. It's not working. Comprendemos. Oh, miss. Now I'm under attack. Okay, so it goes back and forth with the computer, and you're basically trying to sink their ships before they sink yours. Fun, fun. Okay, enjoy.